Hi traders, welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing a unique indicator. Okay. Meanwhile, spotting market reversals at the right time can give traders a serious edge, and as a result of that, we're going to be looking at the buy-sell signals arrows indicator, right? The buy-sell signals arrows indicator. It's quite an effective tool, that identifies momentum shifts and generates clear buy and sell signals. So whether you are new to Forex or an experienced trader, this indicator can help you time your trades more effectively. Let me just add the indicator to the chart. It's a custom indicator, so if you want to make use of it, you may have to download it from a third-party source. Okay, and then you add it to your indicators library, after which you can make use of it on your chart. All right, so we can see that it gives signals with arrows, right? All right, so what is the buy sell signals arrows indicator? It is a momentum based trading tool that analyzes price action and detects momentum reversals. Okay, where you notice an upward arrow, a green upward arrow that appears below the candlesticks, it shows that there is bullish momentum. Okay, these green upward arrows appear when a bullish momentum shift is detected, and the red downward arrows appear above the candlesticks when a bearish momentum shift occurs. So this makes it incredibly useful for spotting trend reversals early, allowing traders to enter positions with confidence. All right, now let us talk about why this indicator is a valuable addition to your trading toolkit. One is for real-time market reversal alerts. The indicator, can give you a lot, ensuring that you do not miss out on important trading opportunities. And this indicator works on all time frames. Whether you prefer scalping, day trading, or swing trading, this indicator is effective on any chart time frame. Okay, and it helps with multiple time frame analysis. A great way to increase accuracy is by using this indicator across multiple time frames to confirm trends, right? So for example, when you want to enter a trade, maybe you can go to the daily time frame and check the last signal. The last signal was a buy signal. Okay, so that shows that, well, this is actually a buy move. And then you can actually go to a lower time frame, and then you look at well, the last signal was a sell. All right, so it means that this contradicts the daily. The 1 hour signal is contradicting what is on the daily. So it depends on if you are a day trader or maybe a swing trader. You're going to know which time frames you're going to be focusing on. Okay, if you're a scalper, you can go to smaller time frames and then look at what the indicator is saying. Check out for any signal. We had a buy signal here. Well, since then it seems like that has been the only signal that we had. Whoa, I wonder why the indicator didn't give a sell signal, around these zones, or buy signal around these zones. Seems like the indicator actually follows the major trend. It seems as if this indicator follows the major trend, right? And it seems to select specific times when it gives its indication, right? Okay, so but basically using this indicator is quite straightforward. All you just have to do is watch out for the arrows. When you have a green arrow appear below the candlesticks, or when you have the green arrow appear pointing upward, basically you have a buy signal. And when you have a red arrow appear, you have a sell signal. So all you have to do is ensure that it is in the direction of the trend, and then you can go ahead to enter a buy. Once you get your confirmation, you can set your stop loss below the previous swing low. You can target resistance levels for your take profit, or you can wait for when a red arrow appears. But I'm going to recommend using resistance levels, or maybe any other indicator, just to confirm the signals. All right, and then for a sell, you wait for a red arrow to appear. You can set your stop loss above the previous swing high, and then you can take your profit at support zones, or maybe when a green arrow appears. Okay, ensure that you combine this indicator with other indicators. All right, it is actually compatible with other indicators, so you can combine it with moving averages. For example, you can decide to combine it with moving average. Maybe when you get a buy signal, just ensure that price is trading above the moving average, and that confirms your buy. You can also confirm, you can also combine it with the RSI, watching out for the RSI trending upward, coming out from the oversold territory when you get a buy signal, just to get additional confirmation. You can actually combine it with any other indicator of your choice. All right, now that you know what the buy sell signals indicator does, let's talk about how to use the buy sell signals arrows indicator effectively. Okay, first of all, the first step is to identify the arrows. Obviously, you watch for up arrows indicating a bullish reversal, or down arrows that indicate a bearish reversal, or bearish move, or whether it's a continuation pattern or a reversal pattern. Basically, when you have a red arrow, it's a bearish move, and a green arrow is a bullish move. Okay, the next step is to confirm with other indicators. All right, you can pair the two with moving averages and RSI. For example, just watch out for the buy signals coinciding with the buy signal from moving average, coinciding also with buy signal from RSI, and then ensure that your sell signals from the buy sell signals arrows indicator coincides with that with the sell signal from the moving averages and the RSI as well. Okay, to increase your chances of success. And then ensure you always check higher time frames. Okay, you look at the larger time frames to confirm that the trend aligns with your lower time frame signal. All right, and then you can okay, let us see if there is actually an alert feature showing in the settings here. Okay, so you can see that you can actually enable alerts. You can see you can enable sound alert and email alert. All right, so just ensure you enable the alerts, turn on notifications so you can get an instant alert whenever a momentum shift happens. All right, so basically the buy sell signals arrows indicator is a nice tool for traders looking to catch momentum shifts early and execute precise trades. Okay, its ability to generate clear buy and sell signals, combined with its alert system and compatibility with other indicators, actually makes it a valuable addition to any trader's toolkit. So if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more forex trading content. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite indicator for spotting reversals. I would love to hear your thoughts. Okay, see you in the next video.